Ready to choose a budget 5G phone? Consider the latest OPPO A3i 5G. You'll enjoy smooth scrolling, gaming and video watching. The MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset and RAM options of 6GB, 8GB, 12GB. Ensure your multitasking is fast and efficient. With a 6.67-inch display and a 120Hz refresh rate. The 5100 mAh battery gives you a full day's use without charging stress. And the Android 14 and ColorOS 14 operating systems.
Stylish and slim design.
Offer a clean and easy-to-use experience. The rear camera has a 50MP lens. Taking clear daylight photos and great low-light selfie shots.
Here are a few shots of the OPPO A3i 5G. Sample images. Camera samples. Design showcase. Real-life shots. Captured moments.
Why wait? Check out the OPPO A3i 5G for a great budget choice.